Welcome to the heart of District 18 Tampines Green Ridges. This newly MOP award-winning estate, designed by Lord Architects, is celebrated for its iconic architecture and lush, beautifully landscaped surroundings. Featuring an exclusive roundabout drop-off lobby, ample playgrounds, fitness spaces, and a large sheltered car park, this development truly offers a perfect blend of elegance and convenience. Hi, I'm Sheryl from OrangeTee AAG. Today, I'm ecstatic to present a stunning 4-room 990 square feet corner unit located on a high floor at 605C Tampines Street 61. This home seamlessly combines sleek modern design with thoughtful utilitarian touches. Let's step inside and explore. Stepping in, you're welcomed into an expansive, well-proportioned living room flooded with natural light from the generous 3/4 height windows. The built-in bay, thoughtfully designed for both storage and seating, adds a practical yet cozy touch, enhancing the warm atmosphere of the space. You'll love the cozy vibe of the large sofa and rug, making this the perfect spot to relax. On the side, a rustic oak floor-to-ceiling cabinet offers ample storage while maintaining a clean, utilitarian look. The niche shelving here is a practical touch, perfect for your keys, wallet, or everyday essentials. The consistent use of rustic oak across the bay window and storage keeps the design cohesive, making this living space both functional and inviting. Now, onto the showstopper, the open concept kitchen and dining area. Here, a stunning peninsula counter in rustic oak and walnut wood tones anchors the space, seamlessly blending style function. The open black steel shelving above adds a modern industrial flair, perfect for showing off your coffee collection or chic decor pieces. The kitchen itself is the highlight of the home, featuring abundant cabinetry for ample storage. There's a built-in inset for the fridge, cooker hob, and hood, along with a large, sleek sink, making the space as practical as it is stylish. The durable walnut countertop and matching backsplash is in pristine condition and designed to withstand daily use while maintaining a polished, cohesive look throughout. Right beside an organic-shaped wood dining table sits 6 comfortably, creating the perfect setting for family meals and intimate gatherings. The exposed bulb lighting overhead adds a playful, artistic edge, tying the whole space together in a way that feels modern yet lived in. This is truly a kitchen and dining area where family and friends will love gathering. The first bedroom is a spacious, well-lit study with no built-ins, offering a blank canvas to create your own dream space. The second bedroom features a movable loft bed, maximizing floor space for additional storage or a play area. Both rooms are bright and versatile, with plenty of room for queen bed. The master bedroom, however, is a true retreat, featuring a sleek walnut tone wardrobe and a unique suspended clothing rack that doubles as a room divider. This room is designed for both functionality and style. The open rack is perfect for displaying your favorite outfits, while a large mirror between the rack and wardrobe enhances the room's spaciousness. A king-size bed fits perfectly, making this the ultimate cozy yet sophisticated sanctuary. The master bath is a continuation of this home's seamless design, featuring the same walnut tone cabinetry found in the kitchen. It's fitted with sleek lines, a glass shower screen, and modern fixtures. The common bathroom is functional and pristine, with neutral grey tiles adding a timeless touch. Location is everything, and this unit excels. You're just 1 minute from the nearest bus stop, which is 3 stops from Tampines MRT. Tampines Shopping Trio are all right here. Our Tampines hub, with its sports, entertainment, and dining options, is only 2 bus stops away. For daily essentials, a 3-minute sheltered walk leads to a supermarket, coffee shop, laundromat, clinics, and even bubble tea. Within 5 minutes, you'll find a variety of food options, convenience stores, and Tampines North Polyclinic. For weekend shopping, IKEA, Giant, and Courts Megastore are a 5-minute drive away. For nature lovers, there are 3 parks nearby. The area is also well connected with quick access via Tampines Avenue 10 and TPE. Schools within 1 kilometre include Angsana Primary and Poi Ching School. The future Tampines North MRT will be a 10-minute walk away. This home is a masterpiece of modern design, featuring a timeless blend of rustic oak, black accents, and bright ivory tiles. From the expensive living room to the stunning kitchen and luxurious master suite, every inch has been crafted with both style and purpose in mind. Its proximity to Tampines MRT, shops and amenities offers an unmatched lifestyle in a highly sought-after area. It's a place where you can create lasting memories. As someone who knows and loves this area, I can confidently say this home is special. Reach out to me for an exclusive viewing or to feature your home next. I'm Sheryl, Real Estate with Heart and Soul.